Hello and welcome. Let's look at this WAEC 2019 government past question number 5. The electorate is defined as A. Intended candidates for voting, B. Elected party members, C. Elected civil society group, D. Citizens that are qualified to vote. So what are electorates? An electorate or electorates are qualified citizens with what it takes to vote in an election. So an electorate is a qualified citizen with what it takes to vote. So you can see that option D is just the answer, citizens that are qualified to vote. So once you're qualified and you can vote, that is what we call an electorate. So electorates are those citizens that are qualified to vote, and that makes D the right option. Please hit the subscribe button. Thank you and God bless you. Drop any comments in the comment section if you have any questions for us.